welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and in today's video, I'm going to be tackling areas all over our home that I have been neglecting. And I'm starting off here in our pantry, which is also my office. And as you can see, things are pretty dusty, pretty cluttered, and in desperate need of some cleaning. If you're a fan of cleaning videos, then this is for you. And if you are new to my channel, I just want to say welcome. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. It's absolutely free, and it really helps me to grow my channel so that I can continue to bring you videos like this one. I'm starting off with our toaster oven. It's been bugging me for a while. This tray slides out and it does catch a lot of the crumbs, but I need to do a little bit more of a thorough cleaning job on it today. We use it almost on a daily basis, and that's why I keep it out on the counter. But the crumbs and little seeds from the bread that we like accumulate in the bottom, and even though I can clean the tray, things get past that, and so I just find it easiest to take it right over to the garbage can, give it a little shake, and get rid of all of the crumbs and the debris that collect in there. My microfiber cloths from eCloth are the perfect tool for cleaning both the inside and outside. I love using my eCloths for a job like this because this appliance comes into contact with food, and so I can just clean it very thoroughly with water, and I don't have to worry about exposing my family to any harsh cleaning chemicals. You can always find a link to eCloth in my description box below. They make wonderful, affordable products for cleaning your home with just water, and I am a huge fan, so I hope you guys will check them out. Before bringing the toaster oven back in, I'm just going to quickly clean the countertop off of all the crumbs that have collected there, and then I'm going to just kind of move into the office area of the pantry and deal with some paper clutter and other things that have been piling up in here. I'm going to be using my extendable duster from eCloth a lot in today's video because a lot of what I've been neglecting is dusting in different areas. And so here I'm using it without the extender pole, but that feature will definitely come in handy as you'll see later in the video. And right now I'm just trying to figure out what to do with these charging cords. They always seem to be such a huge mess. So if you guys have any suggestion about how to neaten those up, then please leave them in the description box below. I would love to know your thoughts on that. So glad that I took the time to do this today and stopped procrastinating about it. It really was not a difficult job, and the payoff is huge. I spend a lot of time in here, and so I know I'm really going to appreciate the little bit of effort that it took to get it back in order. I still have a lot left to do on my cleaning to-do list for the day, but I'm taking a break to make some lunch for Patrick and I, and I'm starting off by making a green smoothie. This green smoothie is a new recipe for me. I've gotten out of the habit of making green smoothies, and I was looking for some new ideas and came across this recipe because it's super easy and I had all the ingredients on hand. In my blender, I just combined some Granny Smith apple, English cucumber, spinach, honey, and lemon juice, along with some ice, and whirled it together. It was a really nice, frosty, refreshing, and healthy drink, and even Patrick, who's not really a big fan of any kind of green smoothie, liked this one. And I think that you could switch it up and make a lot of different variations with this basic recipe. So I think it's something that we'll probably keep experimenting with and enjoying for the rest of the summer. Along with the green smoothies, we're going to have portobello mushroom burgers, and this is a favorite of ours. I just grill them inside in a non-stick pan and use a little bit of barbecue seasoning or some other type of seasoning to flavor them up, and then we just serve them as you would a regular hamburger. Patrick likes his served with some barbecue sauce, and I just prefer the traditional mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup. After lunch, there are dishes to be done, and I like to just go ahead and get them out of the way, get the kitchen back in order, and then I can get back on track with the rest of my cleaning. I feel like the kitchen isn't complete until I clean out the sink, but of course as soon as I finish that I realized that I left the 2 pans on the stove that I was using for the portobello mushroom burgers, so I need to clean those and then I'm finished in the kitchen. So it's ideally nice to dry all of the dishes and put them away, and that way the kitchen really is totally back in order. But today I'm going to leave them out here to air dry and just get on with the things that I have on my to-do list. They'll be dry in a little while, and at that point I'll put them away. As my YouTube channel grows, I have been spending more and more time, which has taken away from the time I used to spend on housework, and we've also had kind of a crazy summer schedule. So I haven't been keeping up with my weekly dusting in certain areas of our home, and I've really gotten bad about the zone cleaning. So one of my goals for this fall, when everything settles down, is to get back on track with those things. But in the meantime, I need to get a handle on it, and so a lot of today is going to be tackling those areas. Areas of our home that tend to get neglected with cleaning are the lower traffic areas when I'm not operating on a zone cleaning schedule. And so the butler's pantry and the dining room, those are areas that we don't spend as much time in, and it's easier for me to turn a blind eye to the dust that's accumulating there. master bedroom closet. And if you saw my last video, my husband was repairing a light fixture in here and I was helping him with it. And while we were up on the ladder, we got a good look at all of the dust that's been accumulating up here. And I have no excuse because this is obviously a very high traffic area for us, but because these shelves are high, I guess it's just out of sight, out of mind. To dust out every area of our closet, which feels great, and I also came across all of these shoe boxes that I could declutter. The last area I'm going to clean today is our master bathroom. I like to start by spraying the tub with cleaner so that it can start breaking down any buildup in there while I'm doing some other things in the bathroom. I'm starting with Patrick's Vanity, and I like to clear everything off the counter to make cleaning easier. And I'm using products from the Grove Collaborative today. In the tub, I'm using the tub and tile cleaner. It's their concentrate, and I have it mixed in the glass bottle with the silicone sleeve. And then on the countertops, I'm going to use the all-purpose cleaner, which is safe for granite. You guys know I love using my e-cloths, and I'm still using them on the mirrors in here today, but I really like to switch it up once in a while and use these products from the Grove Collaborative for cleaning the bathrooms. They are very safe products with no harsh chemicals. All the ingredients are natural and they smell great, and of course they're very effective cleaners. If you're not already ordering from the Grove Collaborative, you're welcome to use my link in the description box below. There are some great freebies that you get with your $20 order, so don't forget to check them out. Now that the cleaner has had a chance to work in the tub, I'm going to use a magic eraser to scrub it. And I cut my magic erasers in half. I find that it's a lot more economical. They last longer this way. Plus, I like the size of it in my hand. It's very comfortable and easy to use. And the combination of this cleaner and the magic eraser are really the best for this acrylic tub. It always comes out sparkling clean and shiny when I'm finished. It feels really good to get all of my cleaning done today, and now it's time to return to the kitchen for some dinner prep. I hope you guys got some great motivation and inspiration for cleaning some neglected areas of your home, and if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. I'd really love to have you be a part of our YouTube community here at Faith and Flour. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video.